This is a new model released as an upgraded version of the A20 model. There are 3 components. The display that allows you to see the angle of the front camera is mounted, and the camera position and direction have been changed. The lens can be freely adjusted to 180 degrees by hand. There is a holder on the back to mount a tripod or bicycle mount. On the left and right sides, there are recording and setting buttons. The rear clip can be attached to the pocket. The charging terminal is finally made of Type-C. It is a Type-C cable that can be used as a charging and data cable. If you change the right lever to video direction, you can shoot a quick video while booting. If you press the play button, you can turn on only the power. When you turn off the power, if you press the play button for 3 seconds, it will be changed to end. If you press the menu button for 2 seconds, you can enter the setting mode. First, it is recommended to go to the 9th menu to change the language for easy use. You can change it to 12 languages including Korean. Micro SD card can be used up to 128 GB. The translation is a bit awkward, but the 8th menu is SD card format. Micro SD card can only be used in the device format. The video quality is 4K and 4K settings have been added. When recording starts, a red LED lights up on the display and front. The screen is small, but you can play the photos or videos you took through the camera display. If you change the left lever to audio direction, you can record only voice with voice recording function. The screen protection function of the 11th menu can be set to 1 minute to reduce battery consumption. If you set it to 1 minute, the display will automatically stop after 1 minute of recording. Of course, if you press the back button manually, you can turn on or off the display immediately during standby mode or recording. Next, I will explain the previous mode. The camera is a micro Type-C. The camera rotation angle can be adjusted up and down, but it can be adjusted left and right. The camera has been removed from the night vision, which is not very useful, and the basic image quality has been improved. The camera is a micro Type-C. The camera has been removed from the night vision, which is not very useful, and the basic image quality has been improved. The cover of the charger and memory card has been removed. However, I think it would have been better to have a cover that can prevent dust. The holder that can be connected to the holder on the back is mounted on the camera to prevent the clip from falling out. The previous model was able to be mounted like this. The A32 model has a different camera position, so you have to mount it in a different direction. I use it facing the front.